Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Marzocco Linea Mini from 2021. It came into the shop because it was intermittently, sort of spontaneously overheating, and it would cause the safety switch to pop on the brew boiler. So ultimately, this is not that uncommon of an issue with these machines, especially the machines. This one's from 2021. The machines that have this analog dial. It uses a potentiometer to tell the computer inside what temperature to be at, and these will malfunction and override, and tell the computer to warm up to a higher temperature than what is safe, causing an overheat. And if you have an app controlled, if you have an IoT module in here, if the computer detects a change using the potentiometer, it will actually defer to the last change, whatever change it lasts. So if you change the temperature in the app and then you move the potentiometer, it uses the potentiometer's temperature. So when these malfunction, sometimes you'll have it set in the app to a reasonable temperature, and as long as this is still plugged in, it'll malfunction and then cause the machine to overheat. So the best way to avoid this is to just unplug it, get rid of it, and then use an IoT module instead, and use the app to control the temperature. Some older machines don't have that, so you'd have to, install the IoT module. Luckily, this machine does have an IoT module, so it was just as simple as removing the potentiometer. Yeah, that's all we did for this repair. We didn't do a tune-up or anything, but I'm just going to do a function test. The machine, speed it up. We have we have hot water, and I have a scale on here because of the modified drip tray. So just so I can put the cup here, I'm just gonna do a regular shot. It's not necessarily going to be the best shot ever. This is our test coffee. I haven't dialed it in or anything. It's just to demonstrate that the machine works. You can also see here in the app that the temperature is at 85 C. That's what it was set at, and it's ready, meaning that it's at the correct temperature. So I've run this shot for probably a little too long, but here we have it. Nice, warm cup of coffee. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.